morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today, we will continue with the chapter 8, Features of File Management. So, open your computer book at page number 78. Previously, we have learnt about creating a file and folder and copying and renaming a file or folder. And today, we will learn the topics moving, deleting, restoring a file or folder, and work ethics. So the main objectives of the day are: what is the meaning of moving a file or folder? What are the steps to move, delete, and restore a file or folder? And which ethics or principles a person should follow while working in a computer lab. So open page number 80, and before discussing our main topic, we will discuss one term of moving. Moving means shifting a file or folder from its original location to another location. Students, moving will cut the file or folder from its original location and it will paste that file or folder to a new location. Now, on page number 80, our first topic is moving a file or folder. And the steps to move a file or folder are: first is select a file or folder from any drive. Second is click on the Move to drop-down button. And third is choose the location to move the file. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. Students, to select any file or folder from any drive, we have to open this PC icon by double-clicking on it. Now, we will open any drive in which we have saved our files or folders. So, I am going to open E drive. So, double-click on E drive. From here, you can see that I am having 5 folders of different subjects, and I want to move my computer folder to the desktop. For this, firstly, select the computer folder by clicking on it. Then, from the Organize group, click on Move to drop-down button. From this pop-up menu, I am going to click on Desktop because I want to move my computer folder from E drive to desktop. So click on Desktop, and after clicking, you will observe that my computer folder has removed from the E drive. And now we will close this window by clicking on this Close button to see our desktop. And on the desktop, students, you can observe that the computer folder has moved. So in this way, you can shift a file or folder from one location to another by using Move to drop-down button from the Organize group. Our next topic is on page number 80, deleting a file or folder. Students, deleting means to remove the unwanted files or folders from your computer system. And the steps to delete a file or folder are: first is select the file or folder from any drive. Second is click on the Delete drop-down button. And third is select the option Permanently Delete. And fourth is select Yes. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. Students, we are going to delete a file or folder from any drive. For this, firstly, open this PC folder, then open any drive, for example, E drive. From here, you can observe that I am having 5 folders of different subjects. And I want to delete the drawing folder. For this, firstly, select the folder by clicking on it. Then, from the Organize group, click on Delete drop-down button. From here, you can observe that we are having 2 options. First one is Recycle and second is Permanently Delete. Students, it is up to you whether you want to move your deleted file or folder to the recycle bin or you want to delete your file or folder permanently. Means it will not restored from the recycle bin. So I am going to click on Permanently Delete and it will not be saved in a recycle bin folder. So click on Permanently Delete. After clicking on Permanently Delete, a confirmation dialog box will appear on the screen which will ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? And we will click on Yes. So in this way, you can delete a file or folder permanently from any drive. The second way to delete a file or folder permanently is by using the shortcut key Shift plus Del. Del means delete key. For this, firstly, select the file or folder which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete Hindi folder. So select the folder by clicking on it and then press Shift plus Del key from the keyboard. After pressing, again a confirmation dialog box will appear on the screen to permanently delete this file or folder or not. And we will click on Yes button. Students, if you do not want to delete your files or folders permanently and you want that your deleted folders should be saved in recycle bin folder, for this we are having 2 simple steps. Firstly, select the folder which you want to delete. For example, I am going to select the Punjabi folder and then press the delete key from the keyboard. When you will simply delete any file or folder, then there will be no confirmation message regarding it. And the second way to delete a file or folder is, firstly, select the Science folder and then click on this Delete button. And your deleted folder will be moved to the recycle bin folder. And the third way is, firstly, select the folder, click on Delete drop-down button and then click on Recycle. It will move the selected items to the recycle bin. So students, this is the difference between delete and delete permanently. Delete will move the deleted files to the recycle bin folder, and delete permanently will display a confirmation dialog box to delete the files or folders permanently. And our next topic on page number 81 is restoring a file or folder. Students, restore means to bring back your deleted files or folders to their original locations. And we are having two ways to restore a file or folder. The first way is open the recycle bin folder, select the file or folder, and click on the Restore the selected items option. And the second way is, firstly, right-click on the file or folder, and second is, select the Restore option. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. Students, to restore a file or folder, firstly we have to open the recycle bin folder by double-clicking on it. After clicking, you can observe that we are having total number of 9 folders which we have deleted. Now select the file and folder which you want to restore. For example, I want to restore the computer folder. So firstly, select it by clicking on it. Then from the Restore group, click on Restore the selected items. After clicking, you can observe that our computer folder has moved to the E drive. And the second way to restore a file or folder is, firstly, right-click on any file or folder. For example, I want to restore Punjabi folder. So right-click on it and click on Restore option. And you can observe that after clicking, the Punjabi folder has moved to the E drive. Students, if you want to restore all the items to their original locations, then you can simply click on Restore all the items from the Restore group. It will restore all the contents of the recycle bin to the E drive. And if you want to empty recycle bin, then from Manage Group, you can click on Empty Recycle Bin. It will delete all the files or folders permanently from your computer system. So I am going to click on Empty Recycle Bin, and after clicking, because we are deleting multiple items permanently from our computer system, so again it will display a confirmation dialog box, and we will click on Yes button if we want to delete these items permanently. And if you do not want to delete, then you can click on No button also. So after clicking on Yes button, you can see that my recycle bin folder is empty now. Students, after restoring a file or folder, you can see that the local disk E is having two folders, Computer and Punjabi, which we have restored from the recycle bin folder. So in this way, you can restore any deleted file or folder from the recycle bin by using restore option. And our last topic on page number 81 is work ethics. Students, ethics means the principles or rules that we should follow while working in a computer lab. And the first one is don't open the files or folders without someone's permission. Second is avoid copying others' work. The third one is don't tamper with others' files or folders. Students, tamper means don't become unreasonably angry with others' files or folders. Now we will do one shortcut key to delete files or folders permanently, and the shortcut key is Shift plus Delete key. Identify the following icons, and the first one is Move to, second is Delete, and third is Restore the selected items. So students, today we have learnt about the steps to move, delete and restore a file or folder and principles to follow while working in a computer lab. So do reading of the page number 80 and 81 and do practice of the topics on Windows 10. Thank you and have a nice day.